Hello, Internet friends. My name is Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions, bringing you a quick bonus tip. The question was posed on Facebook, how to make short walls not go up to the ceiling and not have lines, empty spots in the wall, in the ceiling, vaulted ceiling up here. This is a view from outside the rooms, and here's a view inside the rooms. You can see how we can still see up through this ceiling there. I've created this floor plan and set gable walls on each end, removed the flat ceiling in this room here, and then I drew the internal rooms, if you will. These rooms, then I have set both of them to have a shelf ceiling, and when you set shelf ceiling, it does automatically show flat ceiling over this room. I went ahead and unchecked that, but if we check that in here, let's see what it does. Yeah, see, it creates that shelf ceiling there. Now here it looks proper, but you can see the wall went up just above to do that 2x6 ceiling structure. So we're just going to open that up. We'll leave the shelf ceiling but uncheck flat ceiling over this room and go back into here. Now initially when I did this, Chief had drawn a attic wall, if you will, up here, and we can see that right here. Let me undo this and go back to our camera. That's how it looked initially. And when I select this wall, and that's on the attic layer, so that's fine, we can just make that an invisible wall. And there we have our scenario of an open, the rooms are open above to the cathedral ceiling, and there's no lines. I hope that's helpful. Let me know what you think. Click like and subscribe for more education just like this. Take care. Bye-bye.